Hello and welcome to this live. It's going to be a short, lovely one on some new colors in the Tussar fabric, beautiful linen suits for you. So that's also something that's going to be special. बहुत दिन बाद हमारे linen suits आए हैं and I'm just going to pin down the number where you can place your order. So linen suits में भी बहुत सारे नए colors आए हैं, which is what I'm going to be showing you. And of course Tussar fabrics and fabulous nice colors, complete sets ready to go. कुछ सूट्स जो कल के हैं, hope you have first things first seen the live from not a live, it was a short video. Yes, welcome everyone. So it was a short video yesterday which we did on some really nice premium suits. Suits mein when you buy a suit, you know, like a complete look, it's really easy to imagine. So if the season is started, there's no discount, guys. Okay, so the season is started, we're bang into it. Anyways, so coming to it, when you find it that, you know, what works better for you is a one complete look, you can imagine it, you can see it, then I would strongly suggest you go for a complete suit set. As you see it, you get it, you wear it, you enjoy it. बहुत फायदे हैं सूट लेने के, because the point, I really want you to wear your pieces the moment you buy something that's ready, like, you know, like sometimes you say, yaar, I will find a dupatta later, or let me just get a fabric. And then that's just lying there because, you know, it just kind of takes time. You get a suit, you wear it. Okay, on that note, let's get started. I have some amazing colors to show you. Okay, I'm going to say one thing. First things first, this is one beautiful colors. And ऐसे बहुत सारे colors हैं actually. Let's start with the color. Now this is the fabric that I'm wearing. It's a Tussar fabric. It's currently on pre-order. With a small amount, you can book it. It will take 60 days to be done, but it can be done. And of course, this gorgeous dupatta to match this floral design. So this is a Tussar fabric. You may have seen me wear it in a style video. You know, yes, I did shoot that from Goa. And was wearing a green dupatta. That also looks stunning, but I think now the pink, now that I wore it today, the pink flowers, I think it looks amazing. You can place order on it. It will take 60 days. It's in making. It's a meenakari hand woven piece. It takes a lot of time. So exact meenas will take time. The rest which are ready to ship out, I'm going to show it to you today, now, right away. And I'm going to keep this dupatta right here. Shayad kisi aur mein bhi jayega. This dupatta on its own, 18,800. This fabric that I'm wearing, 8,800 per meter. I'm also wearing a plain munga bottom with it. You can see that bottom. It's 2450 per meter. So if you're going to go for 2.5 meter this and a beautiful dupatta in munga or in georgette like the next one, now look at that. It's a stunning color. Look at that. I think it's so beautiful. Now with a plain munga bottom, like a 3-piece set if you're going, it's going to be 46,925. What are you going to get in that? I'm going to show you again one. Look at that. This is the munga dupatta. It's so classy. So this is a dupatta. Of course, अगर आप चाहें तो base color में हो ही जाएगा, but we love the fact that you can do slight contrast in it. So that's the piece. Now look at that one, this beautiful Meena work, and usse bhi zyada I love the base color. You know, maybe you have seen us, you know, in the last 2-3 lives we're doing these really vibrant colors. I think they look so amazing. So this, if you go with a plain munga set, अच्छा जरूरी नहीं है कि आप सेट लें, आप सिर्फ दुपट्टा ले सकते हैं, सिर्फ कुर्ता ले सकते हैं, कुर्ता बॉटम ले सकते हैं, दुपट्टा ये ले सकते हैं, या 3-piece set with a munga bottom. अगर आप 3-piece set जा रहे हैं, it's going to be 46,925. But otherwise, you can just go for a nice kurta, so vibrant, your bottom matched in the base color, plain munga, bahut sundar lagega. So very, very nice. Let's show you the colors that we have, and we do have a couple of colors in it, and I'm going to show you now the next one. So the dupatta that I started with was, of course, georgette. Georgette will also look very good on it. Munga and georgette, they both go very well together. So they're a nice combination. It's like a best friend. And of course, ye dupatte khud mein, they are so gorgeous. Always, you know, such statements to make. And so lovely. Like, look at the flow, just the beauty of it. But I'm going to do a little different combination. Of course, I could do the same on same, but I just want to kind of kick it up a notch a bit. And it does have this red Meena. It's an orangish reddish Meena. There's also that red. And I think it just kind of brightens it up like crazy, you know. So it's really good. So now if you like the bright colors, go for it. Take a screenshot, come on WhatsApp and place your order. But the next thing that I'm doing, if you are a fan of subtle looks, completely color matched, then this one's for you. and look how lovely it is. Now you see this red, mean I could do the red dupatta as well. It will look very nice. So let me just show it to you. If you like contrast, so this is what you're going for. Look at that. It looks stunning, isn't it? But again, it has many colors in each. So एक sea green पे दुपट्टा मैं वो भी दिखाऊंगी तो अच्छा लगेगा. So yeah, depends. Like now I showed you red right from this side. Now I'm going to show you this side of the fabric, and this is the dupatta. And this is also something that looks amazing. Of course, ये जो कॉम्बिनेशन अगर आप ये दुपट्टा लेते हैं तो इसका हो जाता है 54,925 फॉर अ 3-piece सूट सेट, बिकॉज दिस दुपट्टा इज एक्सपेंसिव. बट इफ यू से मुझे 18,800 में ये वाला दुपट्टा कर दो, चाहे मूंगा में या जॉर्जेट में, देन इट बिकम्स 46,925. इफ यू गो फॉर द 18,800 बूटा फैब्रिक विच इज बूटा दुपट्टा, which is this one. But I always agree, you know, earlier when I started, I think I used to do so much contrast, like everything was a contrast. Okay, and then I thought that you know I love contrast, I love creating those looks, but I also understood that many of you were looking for a same on same, that's what you liked more. And then we created a lot of same on same looks, and then we went towards a direction where we used to do only same on same. So I think now we're balancing it out. We show you a lot of contrast, but we also show you. So this 3-piece set with a plain moonga bottom 2.5, this kurta 2.5, dupatta is 46,925. Okay. Now the next one, and it's a beautiful lavender color. Look at that. So these are all, and all of these are like single cuts. That's what I have, because when we launched last week, many of the colors went away. Sorry, ye dupatta ke liya. So, and can I also just see the sea green? I think with this also it look really nice. So many of the colors just kind of got over. So these are all 2.5 wale cuts. That is what I have. And now then you will see there's a lot of the sea green in this. So which is why I will start with showcasing to you the sea green color. Now look at that. This. Jiska, as I had said, it will be 54,925. But you can also get this color in this style. So this is the 18,800 wala dupatta. You can also get it in this style, and let's show it to you here. So you can also do this. I think it looks stunning. And the third thing that you can do, of course I don't have it ready because हमारा पूरा look है contrast का. We can do it on same. If you say कि Georgette या मूंगा कोई भी कर दो 18,800 वाला, we'll do it. But I think look at the joy. It's so much fun just doing it. Now the colors which are natural are here, and honestly they are beautiful as it is. I am also wearing the natural one. Yeah, of course ready to ship hai, so this you can get it shipped right away. So that's the advantage. You can have it and you can wear it immediately. Now with this I'm going to show you this beautiful dupattas. These are our Karwa Sona Rupa borders, and I think they look amazing, so you can go for this. Look at that, so classy. I think the gray, let me just open it up. Now you can see all of that. Like this is like a full workout. Anyways, look at that. So this is a beautiful combination. You can go for that. You can just go for the last two colors that I'm going to show you very quickly. और ये वाला मुझे बहुत पसंद आया. I think I loved this combination because there's this very significant touch of purple, I think, which makes all the difference. And each one of these fabrics, if you're just going for a fabric, then it is 8,800 per meter. If you're going for a 3-piece set with this kind of dupatta, the Bhuta one, then it's going to be 46,925 for a 3-piece set. Usme bottom bhi hai, moonga wo bhi plain. Now look at that. And the plain moonga, you say that you want it matching to the dupatta color, we can do that as well. And there are no extra charges for dyeing, so there'll never be a extra charge. They're all included in the price. Now look at that. I think it's very pretty, this one. So there you go. Acha, many of you already have plain moonga bottoms. I'm sure so many of you. You know, that's the good thing, that many of you have the plain Bhuta motif, plain natural moonga bottom, and you should if you don't, because that is one thing जिससे आप इतनी चीजें पहन पाते हैं. This is the last piece in this one collection, and look at that. I think this dupatta is so fabulous in any color, and especially these colors, and fabric khud mein hi acha. Now where are you going to be wearing this? So the question is, where will you be wearing this? You're going to be wearing this when you're outdoor. Yeah. So this is, you're going to be outdoor, and you know, you want it to look fancy, you want to look a little different, you want it to be understated, like because it's day, you don't want the sheen of say a katan silk. It's literally like this live is for that, you know, that lunch look, party look, you're outdoors, you have a beach party to attend, you have a, you know, farm party to attend, all of that. These are your looks that you're going for, and I will come to it one by one. So there you go, this beautiful look, that's the last one. And again, I want to say the fabric that I'm wearing is in making 60 days, and small token amount, I think of 2,500, balance once we are ready to ship. But ये सब ready हैं and they're all one cuts, so you should go for it now. Let's go on to something very different from that, and this one I love. Look at that. Now these are our next collection. Now this is, look at that. What is that? This is a linen. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. You're so sweet, all of you. Thank you so much. Now look at that. This is a beautiful linen fabric. Now this is the Meena one. It's got red Meena, it's got pink Meena. So it's this really nice one, and I think it looks really, really good. So this is a linen fabric which is dyed. 3-piece set. So ये है आपका kurta, and then I have this. Now what we've done to kind of really keep it economical, we've done a dupatta, which is this one, and then I also have a plain bottom, which is this one. Full set 20,150. So full 3-piece set. ये bottom है इसका चंदेरी cotton में, and then ये है इसका 2.5 meter kurta, and this beautiful color dupatta chanderi cotton. You have a full, very nice, very rich, very different 20,150 full 3-piece suit set ready to go out today. So that's the big advantage of that. अच्छा, मेरे पास ना बहुत gorgeous colors हैं for linen, and I'm going to come just to that. But before that, I want to show you some colors of the pieces जो मैंने कल वीडियो में दिखाया था, and we still have it. So I said, why not? We should show it because these are some stunning suit sets. मैं बहुत खोल के नहीं दिखा रही हूँ. I'm giving you a full like a shot of it just to show you the beauty of this piece. There is Meena Kari. The base is silk. The kurta is 3 meter. The bottom is plain silk 2.5 meter. And look at this amazing Meena Kari detailed work on it. It's gorgeous. So everybody's saying that, you know, I want a silk suit, and because it's that season, and I really say, you know, आप एक fabric लो, फिर एक दुपट्टा लो, एक ये लो, all of that. You just take one nice piece because it's ready to wear, and you'll really enjoy the whole look, you know, the whole sleeve look. So it's perfect. This is 54,800 for a 3-piece suit set. Now let's show you the colors in it, and this is one very nice color, and look at that. Here it is. I'm going to show you. So of course this is new. This is not shown yesterday. So of course if you're there in the live, kuch to hamesha hoga hi. You know, that's always the thing. So there you go. This is the beautiful, very nice again. So you can see there's intense work of Meena, and that also multiple Meenas. There is gold zari, and the base is katan silk, the bottom is plain chinia silk. Now the point is that just how gorgeous is this? And the point is that when you're looking for something different, when you're looking for something to wear any time of the day, these are your best friends, because you know the sheen is so super, it's so managed. It's not like that kind of a chamak which you cannot wear. It's very, very elegant. Exactly how it looks now, it is how it is. I have one more color in it, so I'm going to show it to you together. And it's a classy color. It's of course, I kind of tend to wear it a little too much, but I love it. You know, that's just, so, you know, it's the whole deal. You know, that's my funda. If you like pink, wear pink. If you like red, wear red. What it means is basically that we feel so much guilt, you know, and I have been working with women for the last many years now. And look at that. First, just of course, admire this beautiful piece. You can see, oh, look at that. I just feel there is so much guilt in her if we choose a color that we already have too much or we just like wearing that color, be it yellow, be it white, be it black, red, pink, whatever be your poison. We feel so much guilt. Arey, I am always taking that. Arey, take it. If that's what you like, then you wear that color. You know, do not feel that. So yeah, I tend to pick more naturals, maybe more black, white, or sometimes more pink. But you know, I mean, yeah, I think we all feel it, but we need to kind of get over it and just wear what we like. So look at that. That's one quick glimpse. It's a beautiful piece. Very, very classy. I love it. Okay, so yeah, exactly. So now there you go. And now some more colors in this. And in fact, what I'm doing is not only one, but I'm also giving you a design option. So this is this green, this really nice light green. Now what you'll see, the Meenas are very different in this. It's all pink and purple, very, very different from your others. And I think there is also that special thing in this piece. And let me show it to you. Okay, I have this. There's this portion in it. What is this? This is the sleeves. This is the yoke to your suit. So this is your main body. Look at that. But there is that amazing fabric in addition, which you can use for your yoke and sleeves. And it just looks really dressy. So I think many of you have said that, you know, we love these dressy looks, but we also kind of still want it to be a little subtle. You're just in the right place. And of course, last line, the big news, we are coming to Chandigarh. Yes, we are going to be in Chandigarh on the 12th and the 13th with our most fabulous collection in silks, in Munga, in Georgette, in Bandhni, dupatta, suit, fabric, all of it, all of our lovely collection, and all of us coming to you 2 days, 12th and 13th at the Hyatt Centric. That's the location. We are very excited. It's our first trip as Neve, you know, coming to Punjab for that. We have a lot of clients for many years now who are from Punjab, all over the world in Punjab. It's always been so. We're really looking forward to our experience and hope you guys are as excited as we are. Mark your calendar, save the date, tell your friends, family, bring them along. A day of shopping indulgence. That's what it's going to be. So yeah, get ready. Okay, so one more color in the, you know, the one that I just showed you. Usme ek aur color. Okay, now we're going to go to the linen suits. So very quickly, let's go first to the linen suits. Okay, this is one color that we have. And linen, guys, I want to keep it short. I don't want to take too much of your time. This is one more color in this beautiful one. Again, now see the Meena, it's changed completely. It's like a brown, it's like a mustard. It's very different. Looks amazing with this. So that's your Meena. Okay, we're going to go to the linen suits, which is also today's special. And I'm going to tell you the price. Okay, oops, are these joined? Okay, no, they're not joined. So, okay, what is the price of all of these 3-piece suit set? This is what I'm going to tell you. Now, I'm going to break it up for you. This is 18,800 for the dupatta. Okay, this fabric is 4,800 per meter. The bottom is a plain bottom. I'll also show it to you. So the entire piece is 33,250. So you have a full 3-piece suit set and so gorgeous. Now look at the color, a lavender. It's perfect. Look at that. You know, this is, I'm going to open this one, show it to you. Kuch colors hai. Acha, 2.5 meter is mein kurta. If you want, we can give you more. So the price will of course change, but if you want, we can give you more. We do have a lot of this fabric for now at least. And this is, so 150. 250. So 250 for 2.5 meter kurta, and it's beautiful, our linen fabric. If you haven't already experienced it, this is our Georgette Sona Rupa dupatta, and this is your bottom plain Chanderi, 250 for full sets, and many of these ready to be shipped out today. So look at that. Now this is another color. कुछ कलर बहुत सुंदर है, मैं आपको just quickly दिखा देती हूँ because I also want to show you everything so that you can just go and place your order. That's a blue. Beautiful, isn't it? It's a nice blue. This is 33,250 for the full set. But if you say instead of the plain you can do 5 meters, that's an option. If you say that you just want the dupatta, that's also an option. Look at that. It's such a beautiful blue. So that's also an option. मैंने आपको बोला था, right? Perfect looks which are so classy, elegant, and which are meant for the day. There you go. That's a lovely pink. You know, it's very different from your all the effect of pink, and especially the shade that you get in a katan or a munga or all of those. It's very different from that. It's this special linen This has gold zari, this is Sona and Rupa. I think it's damn pretty. Okay, the bottom is also ready in this one. Okay. Oh my god, this is like, I'm wearing so much of this lime green color. Just look at how stunning it is. I love it. You know, so yeah, you know, in fact, I'm gonna be honest, I picked up I think a pant of this color. I loved it so much. I said, yeah, we have to try linens in this color. It's going to look amazing. So happy with the result, and just look at it. So yes, it's absolutely beautiful, stunning. I can't wait to see you all wear it. So of course, जो मेरा linen का signature look है, it's in white. It's also a mix of the chota and the big boota. Now I am doing plain bottom. Plain bottom में the pricing works out better because it's 33,250 for a full suit. Now if you go for 5 meter linen, can we do the maths? 24,000 plus 18,800. Like if you do, you say कि यार मुझे full on full linen चाहिए with a dupatta, then it becomes very different because the price then becomes, let's see, so that becomes 42,800. Okay, so then it becomes 42,800 for 5 meter plus dupatta. But I think it also makes sense that you can do a plain bottom because उतना ही बहुत सुंदर लगता है as a set. And 33,250 just makes more sense. Otherwise, it will be like 44,000, right? 44,000. Yes. So, you know, yeah, the price kind of completely changes. But of course, that's possible. You can do a full linen look. Because of course, उसमें look तो अलग आएगा ही. Now, a very classic brown color. Okay, so this is a very, very classic piece. Look at that. You know, it's so elegant. You wear some touch of hoops, or of course, if you don't like hoops, like I'm not so much person who will change my earring, but I do like neck piece. It's so much easier, time saving. You know, wear statement watches. This is like your piece. Yeah, it's gonna look amazing. What a classy color. So that. So these sets are 33,250 with a plain bottom. And now, okay. So now I'm going to show you the colors in this. Okay, now I have to go a little fast. And I want to show you the colors. My paas 1, 2, 3, 4 colors हैं अभी. Now look at that. That's a beautiful aqua blue. I think it looks stunning. And the dupatta as flowy, as lovely as it can be. All of these with plain bottoms. And then we have a red color. So I'm going to show you the red color. Look at that. It's amazing. What an effect of the red color. It's just beautiful. Just look at that. Oh, so stunning. So that's a red one. When you are in the mood to wear a beautiful color like red, but you don't want it to be a standard, you know, look that you have, go for this. It's going to be amazing. All of these with the bottoms ready. Okay. And this one is this. So, oh, look at that. Isn't that, I mean, it's like sunflower right on your screen. And you're going to be looking like beautiful. I wouldn't say like a sunflower because not sure whether, you know, that's going to be taken in the right way. I would love to be like such a ray of sunshine and hope. Look at that. This is your beautiful yellow color. Now, I've opened some, so I'm not opening all of these. Just basically know that they are absolutely stunning. You can go for 2.5 plain bottom dupatta, 33,250. You can go for a 5 meter plus dupatta. So then the price becomes 44,000 plus. So, you know, like you tell us what you like best. But now look at that. Such a different shade of brown. We've done the darker brown. This is a lighter brown. And really, you know, that white tone. Very, very classy. And that's it. So this is it. So we are done with this, and as I said, I'm going to show you 3 more suits which I showed yesterday in a video, but I want to do it in live because you know, of course, sometimes sometimes it's incredible. I'm a lot of times I chat with you guys, lot of times, and of course you know that I'm chatting with you. And then so I'm saying, okay, you know, this is what I'm going to tell you about this piece. She said, no, wait, I will go to the live and I will listen to the live and then I will come back and have this chat with you. So I'm like, okay, great. So yeah, of course, you know, I understand the whole idea that this is for you a time where you can really know about the pieces, which is why sometimes, I mean, as much as the videos do well, and they do really well, sometimes it's just good to be here because that's the only way you can really know about it. This is, you know, thoda time rehta hai, that's the whole mood, you know, that's the thing. Now, this is the Munga silk suit. First things first, just look at it closely. Like, just look at this Meena work. Like, what can one say? Isn't it just beautiful? But what I really like about it is that this base color looks so good with this Meena colors. बहुत sundar. And this is pure Munga silk, and it will come with a Munga silk bottom. That's the beautiful thing about it. So full 3-piece set, again 54,800. It comes with 3 meters kurta. There's a border which you must use. It comes with a plain bottom in this dupatta, and it's so beautiful. The other one that we have in this, first let's show this, then I'll come to this color that you have as the last 2 pieces. That's it, we are done. Is this one, and look at it, here it is. Silk and beauty and Meena, and I think so much of Meena today with of course these suit collections and the fabric that I was wearing, ye wala pura. So unke saath, dono ke saath there was a lot of Meena touch to it. The very last one in this is this. Now you will see same colors of Meena. If you see very, oops, one sec. The same colors of Meena as the green one, okay? But the effect is so very different because of the base color, and it looks really classy. Now this is a look, okay, can I say this? That's a look that you're going to be wearing in the day, okay, to early evenings like 4 o'clock, because wo color uspe, see, you know, color is what? Fashion, half of it, or clothes are what we wear and what we choose. What is it? Half of it. Half of it, or most of it, is how sun falls on us, you know, how light falls on us, how the colors are created, how the effect is created. It's all about the sun, it's all about the natural light. So that is all that there is to it, honestly, you know. I mean, any picture that you see, any video that you see, any piece that you see, any choice that you make of a fabric, it's all based on light and how sun falls on it, the effect of shadow, the effect of the colors on it, all the time. Now, so that green is till 4 p.m. So from morning, you're wearing it morning. A lot of you going to ardas and, you know, you want to cover your head. It's perfect. You're going to be wearing that, covering your head. It's going to just stay like that. It looks so classy. So many of you wear it, many of you drape it, many of you take it like that. All of that color is perfect till day. Now, if you're looking for something from a lunch to a evening look, then this is your pick. Because this color, you can really carry it. It's so yeah, honestly, it's like a more versatile one. But if you have an occasion in hand, then that one. Hello everyone. Such a good time. You know, we're almost ending. But remember that हमारे सारे ही lives post होते हैं on Facebook and Instagram page. Many of you are coming here for the first time, wondering कि मैं कैसे खरीदूं. The way to buy is that you see our Facebook, Instagram page. You take a picture of what you like. You can see the videos, you can see the pictures. Come on WhatsApp, place your order. Free international shipping above 20,000 this month. So you can just get 2 dupattas, 1 georgette, 1 munga in 14,800 range. And if you want to know that, so come to WhatsApp, we'll give you that video. We have 2 videos. 14,800 georgette dupatta option, 14,800 munga dupatta option. Aapne 2 kharida, free international shipping. Or else, as I said, get one good look like this and wear it immediately. That's also a great thing. And 20,000 and above, free shipping. And of course, India may COD hai. So that's the good thing. Now guys, I'm going to show you, okay, this particular fabric with this green Meena, it's only on pre-order 60 days. Thoda time lag raha hai banne mein, but 60 days, okay? So, and it does look very pretty. So if you really want this, like a small token amount, I think for 2.5 meter, you have to pay 2,500. If 5 meters, then you have to pay 5,000. So that's the pre-order. You can do a pre-order. But otherwise, I would like to say that I think you can just choose from so many different options that are all ready to go. So take your pick, this or that, and it's amazing. So let us know whatever you like. Come on WhatsApp, send us a picture and no more. Have a fantastic day ahead. So good to see you. There's no live tomorrow. So yes, enjoy this. Find the one that you want and go for it, guys. Thank you. I will see you very soon again. Kal ke video mein kuch suits hain. And of course this, and of course lot of content. I think day before we done that Savaria look where we done many Georgette heavy dupattas in Bandhani. So there is bandhni, then we had done a linen suit wala, ek wo bhi tha. So a linen suit, then there is the Savaria one, then there is Kalka video, and there is this of course, which is all your beautiful day looks that you're going to go for. Have a great day ahead. No live tomorrow. I will see you soon again Friday. We'll let you know when we are coming, if we are coming. And thank you so much. Lots of love to you. Bye-bye. Thank you.